Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Did you know you can turn your MacBook Air into a wireless second display? Yup, no extra cables needed. This is perfect if you want more screen space for work, video editing or even gaming. So let's set it up step by step. First, make sure both your MacBook Air M2 and second device, it could be another Mac, an iPad or even a compatible Apple device. Those are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. If you are using an iPad, open your system settings, General, AirPlay and hand off and make sure your cursor and keyboard is enabled. For another Mac, Apple introduced a feature called Sidecar like universal control. You can simply go to the display on your system settings and add display. As you can see in the display settings, you can simply add settings from the advanced option. Otherwise, you can also use the latest version of your MacBook to use the iPhone mirroring app. You can simply do this. Make sure your Bluetooth is turned on, and with that, you can simply open your iPhone screen on your MacBook. Super easy and super simple. As you can see, it takes a bit of time. As you can see, now your phone is completely on your MacBook screen. And if you want, you can use universal control to move your mouse seamlessly between devices. Literally one mouse, multiple screens, super effective. And that's how you can turn your MacBook Air M2 or any MacBook that you have into a wireless second display. Try it out and you will never want to go back to a single screen again. Drop a comment if you found this tip helpful and make sure to subscribe for more Mac hacks. Thank you for watching and I'll catch you on the next one.